wow, what's this thing? It's a Dell laptop power cord. Look how perfect it is just sitting there. Perfect position. Perfect it is with its ultra ergonomic adapter cord. Just gonna get crushed in with my brand new hammer. So it better not break, and it better last a long time. Okay, let's just start by crushing in the power cord and making it zap. It's not working. Okay, that's not working. The rest of the cord can't be smashed. It will be crushed in. See? Of course, you can't see where it's all the way zoomed out like that. Oh wow, this thing's actually very tough. But they don't make them like they used to. Oh wow, smoking. Ah. It smells like rotting food. It doesn't smell like burnt electronics. Oh, it's unplugged. Man. Step on it and plug it in. Perfect. You got it plugged back in. Smash some more. Smash over by the... Oh, what's this thing? Protector. It's a backstop. Ah, stupid protector metal not preventing me from getting in there. Making it actually work. Making it actually break. There we go. Now we have another layer of protector. This is probably going to be very easy. Maybe not. Looks like just a white piece of paper that's just protecting it. Must be toxic in there. Smell no longer like rotting meat. Basically get that packing tape off there and get in there. It's not even plugged in. It's sort of plugged in. Break that off. Now we actually got that circuit board. There we go. That's perfect. Ah! Ah, man. Oh, what? Another layer of protection? Let me get to that underside so I can make the capacitor zap. Now it's time to actually smash the plastic. and sheet material. No, it's probably the most durable plastic there is. The cheapest, most durable plastic. The cheapest durable plastic they have to using these power cords. Of course, this thing is probably just a piece of plastic. Metal that completely destroyed.